guys! Hello. Sorry for my voice, but for today's video guys, I will show you the difference of fake and original Pokemon cards. So we will gauge what is the fake Pokemon cards and what is the real Pokemon cards in these cards by weighing them. So I bought a very high precision weighing scale. Okay, so this one can detect even 1 gram. Okay, so let's check. Let's check this one. Is this okay? 1.7. 1.7. Let's try again. 1.7. So is this original or not? So we will check later. 1.7. This one. 1.6. Okay, so let's put the low 1.6, 1.7 here. This one. 1.6. Okay. How about this one? 1.9. 1.9. 1.9. 1.8. 1.9. Lastly, 1.7. So, based on our checking, so these cards in the right side has a weight of 1.8 to 1.9 grams, and this is the original cards, guys. So this is come from the trick or trade booster pack, and this is weighing 1.8 to 1.9. So we can conclude that the original cards is weighing more than the fake card. So this one is a fake card, as you can see. This one is a fake card. It look original. It's hard to distinguish nowadays the fake and original cards. But yeah, if you are not sure, you can use a weighing scale, high precision weighing scale, and if the weight is 1.7 below, then it's a fake card. So I hope you learned something for today's video, guys. It's just a very short video. And just to try also the Magic the Gathering card. So let's try this one, original Magic the Gathering cards. So the original Magic the Gathering card is weighing, wait, let's check, 1.7. So Magic the Gathering card is has a different weight than the Pokemon cards. 1.8 also, 1.8 to 1.7. Okay, but the Pokemon cards is consistent, guys. If you will redo again, okay, 1.9, it's always showing 1.9. Okay, 1.9, 1.8, 1.9. So it's consistent, and yeah, for you to gauge, guys, you can weigh your cards or you can rip it off, and yeah, that's how we check the original Pokemon cards to fake Pokemon cards as well. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something, and God bless everybody. So see you in the next video, guys. I will be showing you guys if we will have a good hits when we weigh the box. Okay, so I will be receiving a lot of Pokemon box this coming next week, and we will weigh, guys, if the the heaviest box contains a lot of hits. So please check that out. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you in our next video. God bless.